our India, that many of you have traveled long distances, serves to remind us just how important our association of National Federation of Insurance Field Workers of India is to our hearts. It's definitely very close to our hearts. कुछ ही देर में हमारे बीच हमारे मुख्य अतिथि माननीय मंत्री जी श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी, कृषि और किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय के सम्मानित राज्य मंत्री एवं हमारे जो फर्स्ट सिटीजन ऑफ अहमदाबाद श्री गौतम भाई नवलचंद भाई शाह, मेयर ऑफ अहमदाबाद, एवं हमारे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki and Srimati Ranjana Ben Bhatt, Anya dignitaries, invited guests, veterans, observers, and comrades. We all are happy to see you here this morning on 10th of January 2018. It is definitely a pleasant morning. Nature has been to us, good to us, made us accommodative, including the environment, including this beautiful place, in this beautiful city, the climate that we all would love to stay. And surely, under the safe hands, the safe roof, the safe umbrella of one and only one organization, of the fraternity of the policyholders, of the agents, and the fraternity of development officers, is truly the National Federation of Insurance Field Workers of India. We will be honored to have our chief guest, Honorable Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, our respected Minister of State for Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. We will also have our distinguished respected guests of honors, Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, the first citizen and the mayor of Ahmedabad city. Our privilege in having the Honorable Member of Parliament, respected Dr. Kirit Bhai Premji Bhai Solanki ji, representing the Ahmedabad West constituency of Gujarat. We also have the pleasure of having the Honorable Member of Parliament, respected Srimati Ranjana Ben Bhatt from the Vadodara Lok Sabha constituency. We are happy to see many of the veterans who have toiled and brought National Federation to such greater heights. For those of you who have just joined to talk about Ahmedabad city, it is the largest city in the state of Gujarat, located on the western India banks of the river Sabarmati. The present city was founded in 26 January 1411. We have given, or rather we would say, we tribute the people who have given freedom to this country, some of the great leaders are from the city of Ahmedabad. The list includes our great leader, Sri Mahatma Gandhi ji, Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many other leaders. And we continue to give leaders to this country before independence and after independence. Ahmedabad is also the cultural and the economic center of Gujarat, and proudly we say it is the 7th largest city of India. We have just received the information that our chief guest has arrived. As he walks in, we will give him a standing ovation. The chief guest, as you are aware, is Honorable Most Respected Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Minister of State for Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. See the information that our chief guest, Honorable Most Respected Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, Mayor of Ahmedabad, they are about to enter the hall. Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki, the Honorable Member of Parliament from Ahmedabad, is being escorted inside. We will have with us in our midst Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, the first citizen and Mayor of Ahmedabad. Sri Prashant Chaudhary Sahab, our Senior Division Manager of Ahmedabad Division, Sri Sahai Sahab, Sri Jilova Sahab, they are both Marketing Managers of Ahmedabad Division. Sri Prashant Bhai Chaudhary Sahab is the Senior Division Manager of Ahmedabad, who leads this Ahmedabad division where we are having this Federal Council 2018. Once again, we are happy that our first citizen and Mayor of Ahmedabad City, Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, is already in our midst. Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki, the Honorable Member of Parliament, is also in our midst. The 28th Federal Council meet of National Federation of Insurance Field Workers, अहमदाबाद डिवीजन द्वारा होस्ट किए गए भारत बीमा क्षेत्र के कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए आज 10 जनवरी 2018 आप सबका स्वागत है। आप लोग इस नेशनल फेडरल काउंसिल मीट के लिए आए उसके लिए शुक्रिया। आप में से बहुत लोग लंबी दूरी यात्रा करके आए हैं। ये हमें याद दिलाता है कि हमारे एसोसिएशन कितना महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे लिए। We have with us many dignitaries, invited guests, comrades, observers all over the country to participate in this 28th Federal Council meet of NFIFWI. Thank you for coming. कुछ ही देर में हमारे बीच हमारे मुख्य अतिथि माननीय मंत्री जी श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी, कृषि और किसान कल्याण मंत्रालय के हमारे सम्मानित राज्य मंत्री हमारे बीच पधारेंगे. We also have the privilege in having the Honorable Member of Parliament, respected Dr. Kirit Bhai Premji Bhai Solanki ji, representing the Ahmedabad West constituency of Gujarat. We also have our extinguished, respected guests, Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, the Mayor of Ahmedabad City. National Federation of Insurance Field Workers of India, popularly and abbreviated known as NFIFWI, is the sole representative organization of around 24,000 development officers of Life Insurance Corporation of India, formed on 19 January 1957. जैसे आपको पता है कि NFIWI एक नॉन पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और हमारे 60 ग्लोरियस इयर्स एज अ ट्रेड यूनियन और ever since its inception, NFIFWI, we call it as National Federation, has been contributing to the qualitative growth of LIC, the insurance sector in India as a whole. National Federation has stood for the welfare of policyholders, agents, and development officers. Srimati Ranjaben Bhatt, the Member of Parliament, and our Chief Guest, Honorable Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji is here with us. Let's welcome him with a wonderful clap. जोरदार तालियों के साथ सर आपका स्वागत है इस मंच पर. फेडरल काउंसिल 2018, नेशनल फेडरेशन इंश्योरेंस फील्ड वर्कर्स ऑफ इंडिया. हमारे बीच ऑनरेबल मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी बता रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. वी ऑल्सो हैव विद अस आवर डिग्निटरीज श्री गौतम भाई शाह, द मेयर ऑफ अहमदाबाद, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki, the Honorable Member of Parliament from Ahmedabad, Srimati Ranjaben Bhatt, Honorable Member of Parliament from Vadodara constituency, a host of dignitaries, invited guests, veteran leaders of National Federation, delegates, observers, and family members of National Federation. So may we request our leaders of National Federation to escort to begin this program. May I request our dignitaries of the organizing committee to escort Honorable Respected Minister Sri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat ji, Dr. Kirit Bhai Solanki, Sri Gautam Bhai Shah, the Mayor of Ahmedabad, Srimati Ranjaben Bhatt, Honorable Member of Parliament from Vadodara constituency, dignitaries from LIC, Sri Chaudhary Saab, Sri Sahai Saab, Sri Jilova Saab, We have with us escorting by Shri Mihir Bhai Lokanwala, the All India President, Shri Vivek Singh Ji, the Secretary General, the Federal Council Chief Conveners, Secretary of AIA, Sister Unions of LIC, and come on, let's give a round of applause to this as they declare the National Federation of Insurance Field Workers of India Federal Council Meet 2018 open with the symbolic lighting of the lamp. Thank you, friends. जिंदाबाद, जोर से जिंदाबाद. Now we have the floor. Now we will have the floral tributes by the dignitaries to Sri Sridhar Vasudev Kalvit ji. So Sri All India President Sri Mihir Bhai Lokanwala, to late Sri M.M. Sadanand ji, Sri Ugdam Jagdane ji, please come up. Thank you. Late Sri Vitthal Vishnu Apte ji, late Sri Madhu Dadwanja ji, thank you so much. We have just completed the formalities of the inauguration of the Federal Council Meet 2000. Yeah. Sir, culture program.
No, they are not. Only 2-minute कार्यक्रम. Only one कार्यक्रम. Immediate only one कार्यक्रम.
Okay.